All right, so a quick one. We're going to take the sounds of the alphabet and we're going to we're going to start letter A sounds letter A sounds letter B sounds b, letter B sounds b, letter C sounds k, letter C sounds k, letter D sounds d, letter D sounds d, letter E sounds E, letter E sounds E. In some cases it sounds E. Letter E sounds E as in eagle and E as in egg. So it has dual sounds. Right, letter F sounds F. Letter F sounds F. And letter G sounds G as in gun. Letter G sounds G. Letter J sounds G. Letter H sounds you breathe in and breathe out. You breathe in and breathe out. Letter I sounds E or I. It depends, all right? I or E. It also has dual sounds, E and I. Letter J sounds J. Letter J sounds J. And letter K sounds K. Letter K sounds K. Letter L sounds L. Letter M sounds Letter N sounds N. Letter O sounds O as in orange. Letter O sounds O. Letter P sounds P. Letter Q sounds Q. Letter Q sounds Q. Letter R sounds R as in R. Letter S sounds S. Letter S sounds S. Letter T sounds T. Letter T sounds T. Letter U sounds O. Letter U sounds O as in cup, all right? Letter V sounds V. Letter W sounds V. Letter W sounds V. Letter X sounds X. Letter X sounds X. Letter Y sounds Y as in yellow, as in yacht. Letter Y sounds Y. Y. And letter Z sounds Z. Letter Z sounds Z. For those who were going to do this as a classroom teacher, we have songs attached to all of the alphabet, all right? Letter A says R, says R, says R. Letter A says R as in apple. Boo boo, brush your teeth. Boo boo, brush your teeth. Boo boo, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth always. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo. Cuckoo as in cut. Cuckoo, 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 cuckoo as in cut. Point to the door. Enter do point to the door. Enter do point to the door. Enter do as in door. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. La 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 la. The snake is in the grass. That's for letter S. I think all of them has songs attached to it, so that when you're singing and when you're teaching in class, you introduce a song so your pupils, your learners can participate, laugh, and play while you teach. Look up YouTube and find songs attached to letters and songs of the alphabet for your class to be lively. All right, thank you. See you in our next topic, the 44 speech sounds.